welcome to Learn Polish Every Day. At the beginning, I would like to inform you that at the end of the video, I have a wonderful surprise for you. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. In today's lesson, we will focus on very useful phrase, very common phrase that you need to know. So let's get started. Now we have greetings. We have, of course, informal and formal. The informal way to say hello is cześć. Cześć means hello, hi, and bye as well. Don't forget about it. Hey. Hey means hi. Easy, right? Now I will tell you how to say hello in a formal way. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry means good morning and good afternoon as well. Dobry wieczór. Dobry wieczór means good evening. Now I would like to teach you how to say bye in Polish language. As I mentioned, cześć. Cześć is also bye. Pa. And pa means bye as well. We are also saying papa. It means the same. The formal way to say bye is do widzenia. And do widzenia means goodbye. We have also other one. Dobranoc. In Dobranoc, we translate as good night. Now let's have some nice phrases. Jak tam? Jak tam means what's up? Jak tam? Jak leci? Jak leci means how is it going? And now I will tell you a very nice and polite phrase. Miło Cię widzieć. And it means nice to see you. Miło Cię widzieć. Okay, so now we come to how to introduce yourself. Mam na imię Natalia. My name is Natalia. Mam na imię Natalia. I urodziłam się w Warszawie. But I was born in Warsaw. I urodziłam się w Warszawie. Ale mieszkam w Krakowie. But I live in Krakow. Ale mieszkam w Krakowie. Jestem z Polski. I'm from Poland. Jestem z Polski. I'm from Poland. Mam 23 lata. I jestem studentką. I'm 23 years old and I'm a student. So now we have another example. Mam na imię Bartek. My name is Bartek. I urodziłem, and now you have to know that we have non-feminine and feminine form. Feminine form is urodziłam, non-feminine is urodziłem. I urodziłem się w Paryżu. And I was born in Paris. Ale mieszkam w Londynie. But I live in London. Mam 31 lat i jestem architektem. I'm 31 years old and I'm an architect. So that's it for today's lesson. As I told you, I have a very great information for you. Click the link in the description box. There you have nice exercises, useful materials, and a free course. That's wonderful, right? Okay, thank you for today's lesson and see you soon. Pa pa! Do widzenia!